What's good, motherfuckers? Man, we back with another video, bruh. Shit, I got a little new mob, something slight. We got these side marker lights. I don't know how to feel about it though, cause I kind of like my shit being like colored, but it's still gonna have color to it, but just not during the day. This shit is gonna be black. But yeah, y'all, we finna be installing these motherfuckers. And by the way, I do not know what the fuck I'm doing. I never did this before. I have never did this before, so this will be a first. And yeah, so we about to hop right into this shit. I need to go to the back and get some tools for this shit. You feel me? We're gonna grab one of these and one of these. I had a small one, but I don't know what happened to it. So, oh, I think it's in my trunk. Might be in my trunk. Bite to hold the camera. I hope I don't gotta take the tire off to do the back ones, cause my back tire got no space to be working on it. It's like that bitch right there. I might have to turn the wheel all the way for this one. But yeah, y'all, hold on. Alright, so I'm about to go back here and get some motherfucking gloves. Cause yeah, we need gloves. I ain't finna be having dirty ass hands. Talk about me. But yeah, I'm about to put these on real quick. You feel me? What? I don't know what she talking about, but yeah. Go ahead and take this off. Take this off. I turned the wheel all the way, bro. Look how much, like, bro. I barely got any space back there. That was the dumbest shit ever. And I think that's what we got this fucking screwdriver for. Gotta take that bolt out right there, and once I take that bolt out, I think you should be able to pull the bumper, this piece of the bumper off and pull it out that way. But yeah, cause this screw is holding. I don't know if y'all can see. I might not let y'all see because the wire that I ran for the LED lights in the way, but yeah, so I'm gonna take that bolt out and pop the bumper out, and then that's when I'm gonna resume the video back again. Okay, motherfuckers, this shit is not as easy as it looks. Bruh, it's two bolts in the back of this shit right here, right? They look like this. They look just like that. Y'all gotta get y'all one of these, you feel me? And then, you know, this screw right here that came off the bumper to make the bumper go like that. Yeah, and then boom, it's a plug that goes in the back of this shit right here. You see that bitch right there, boom, 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 right? So you're gonna plug that bitch right here, plug your new one in, and boom, you feel me? And you done, like that type shit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna show me putting all of them bitches in, right? I'm gonna show one, this the driver's side, and then I'm gonna do the passenger side, and then I'm gonna show one on the back, and then I'm gonna put the other one in, and then yeah. Then we gonna do probably something else a little later today type shit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's it, yeah. Alright, y'all. So look, I ain't record putting the back on, but y'all see they all on. This what they look like right now at night. You know, the whole, cause if y'all know, if y'all got a Chrysler 300, it's only like a dot. With these ones, the whole shit light up. So that's what we wanted. That way it's like, and then low-key it kind of helped with the mirror, like when I'm reversing, cause you see how like bright that shit is on the floor. Like it kind of like help when I'm like inside of the car. And this one bright as well on the floor, but it's like lights and shit already over here. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna probably record the next day, so I ain't even gonna. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So I was editing and shit, and I couldn't add both of the videos together like how I was gonna do. So I'm gonna have to break it up into two. So y'all like, comment, subscribe on this video. Stay tuned for the next one. It's gonna be coming like real soon. Probably like I might post this one like tonight, and then I'm gonna post the other video like tomorrow or something like that. But yeah, y'all stay tuned.
Don't play with the game, get put in the box. Boss shit, raw shit. I didn't hit no more about the check up in my pockets. I ain't caring what the cost is. We done came from losses.